for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party.
Hello guys, today I'm doing a quarantine get ready with me. My hair is super like crazy, I know. It's like literally just wanting to stick up in so many spots and it's so tangly and I have no clue how it got so tangled. So whenever I decide to wash this, that is gonna suck. But I am doing a get ready with me today and I figured I would start it before I do anything to make myself look better because God knows I need some help right now. But I am about to take a shower. So this is the before of everything. I'm definitely looking pretty rough. I just have pajamas on. I literally have my Christmas pajama pants on. So I'm going to go take my shower and I'm really excited to talk to you guys. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face and let's get started. Okay, so my shower's done and this is the fit. Right now I don't have my jewelry on or anything, and like I said, I know my hair is crazy, but this is a get ready with me, so we are going to fix this mess. But this is my top. It is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, look how cute that is. And then I have on my vintage Levi's that I distressed myself. I'll get like a better full body of my outfit later. But I'm going to start my makeup now. Okay, so I am currently listening to Drake's new album because it just came out yesterday and I haven't listened to it yet. If you hear like a water through the pipe sound, I live in an apartment complex, so that would be like my neighbors upstairs are taking a shower, I think. So just kind of ignore that the best you can. How is everybody? I have honestly been struggling lately. This whole quarantine thing has kind of got my head all kinds of messed up. I'm just gonna clip my hair back so it doesn't get in my foundation. I haven't worn foundation in a hot minute, but I decided I would wear it today. It's super nice out today. Like, it's supposed to be hella nice out and I'm excited. I literally look disgusting. Oh my god. I've been okay lately. I've had a couple of mental breakdowns and there's been like a lot going on for me. I have 2 weeks of school left and then I have 3 days of exams. My exam is on the 20th through the 22nd. And I only have 2 weeks of regular schoolwork left. I have to catch up on biology because I wasn't doing it for a while, which like my teacher isn't mad about. Like, he doesn't really care. He's kind of like extending when that's due, but I need to work on it this weekend so I can just be caught up. I don't even know if it's possible for me to get caught up this weekend. Like, I just need to get it done because interns or something like that, I don't even know how you say it, we're due I think on Thursday, and like all of our April work is supposed to be done May 4th. It is currently May 2nd, so I can't guarantee that my stuff will be done by Monday, but I already talked to him about it and he's like, it's not a big deal. Like, I get it if you've had other classes that have been like stressing you out, and biology is just super hard for me. I've said this since I started taking biology this year. I really struggle with biology. So the fact that it's my lowest grade, literally the lowest grade I've ever had in my entire life right now, it makes sense. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. I just got this like right when quarantine started. And I think I did a pretty good shade match. I think I got shade 400 or something like that. It's extremely liquidy. But I haven't worn foundation in like a week and I've been doing a lot of cream products lately. Like cream bronzer, cream blush, cream highlighter even. I didn't bring my cream highlighter in here today because I wanted to use my Jaclyn Hill highlighter. This is so liquidy. I forgot how liquidy this is. I feel like this would be a good foundation to mix with other ones. And I feel like I've seen some people mix this with something, but I don't remember what it is. So this foundation looks a little bit light right now. Obviously bronze and everything will darken it, but like it's kind of light compared to my forehead. But during the summer I could easily just blend this in with my like Fenty foundation. I think I have it in 140 and 120, and 140 is a little dark, so, or even my Anastasia foundation would be good. But on Drake's album, Chicago Freestyle is so beautiful. I heard that song when it got leaked like 2 months ago or something, and I added it to my SoundCloud because that's where I found it, and it's so good. I literally look like a ghost right now, y'all. That's scary. I'm now going to cream contour, and I need to get like an actual cream contour because my favorite shade, which is right here, she be running out. But I'm going to cream contour, and then I will do concealer, and then we'll do blush, and then I'll set just the parts that I don't want to crease, which is like my under eyes and my smile line. The pink in my hair is extremely faded. Like that shit should be gone within a couple more washes. And then my mom told me I need to take a little break, and then I'm either gonna go blue or purple this summer, I think. I really want to go blue, but last time I dyed my hair blue, it did not want to come out. It like stained my hair, the under layer green, and I do not want to go to cosmetology school next year with green hair. Like that is just not cute. Do you see all these red marks on my arms? That's my eczema, guys. I just put cream on it, but it's not cute. My face is really itchy in this one spot, like right by my nose, but I can't itch it obviously because I have fucking foundation and shit on, but it itches so bad. My music just like is transitioning into another song, and I realized how quiet it is in here without like, if music wasn't playing. Like I could not do that. I can't sit in complete silence unless I'm trying to sleep. Blush time. Like I said, cream. I've been using this, like I think I've been doing this routine for about a week now, which usually I don't stick to just like specific products and not change it up, but I have not changed up my routine since I started doing it this way. And I know that looks super heavy, but I have to go in with my sponge to blend everything together. And blush is the first thing, especially a cream blush, to fade. So you kind of have to put on more than you actually want it to show up. Okay, I got my cream highlighter. So you go in with one of your small fingers, either your pointer or your pinky. I'm gonna use, that's not my pointer, my ring or my pinky. And you just warm your finger up in the cream, and then you try and angle your finger, and then you put it right where you want to be highlighted. And the key is to really dab it in and spread it out. Like, look how beautiful that is. And then you get a little bit more, and you do it again. You have to blend everything together the best you possibly can. Now, once again, take your sponge and just dab it very lightly. Highlighter, like cream highlighters, will come off really easily if you dab too hard, so you just dab super lightly. Okay, so this is the finished makeup other than setting spray and gloss. Oh, I didn't bring a gloss in here, I kind of forgot. But I'm just gonna set my face. This mist is so fine that I can't even feel it. Like, I feel like it doesn't distribute enough product. Like, you literally cannot feel it. Okay, hair time. I've been wearing a bunch of bandanas in my hair, but I just don't feel like wearing a bandana today. I wore one yesterday. I think I've literally worn one the past like 4 days in a row, so I don't really want to wear one. Okay, so I'm going to try to untangle some of this, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I did my hair. There was a lot of pulling, tangling, and hair falling out involved, but it's the best it's gonna get. It's still pretty cute, if I do say so myself. I'm going to put on some jewelry and some gloss, and then I will be back to finish this video. Okay, so this is the whole look, my fit. I got my necklaces on, my rings on. I only painted my nails, like my natural nails. I didn't put on fake ones, and it feels extremely weird. I don't know if I like it, but this is the entire look. Like I said, these are my thrifted Levi's. I got them for $4, and I just distressed them myself. My top will be in the haul coming soon. Jewelry is all Amazon. For shoes, I would either wear my Fila's or my Docs. These jeans look super cute, cuffed like this with Docs on. So I definitely think that Docs could be pulled off with this look. All right, with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.